Welcome to Estepona, Spain on the beautiful Costa del Sol in southern Spain, and welcome to the Estepona Orchidarium, otherwise known as the Orchid House or Botanical Gardens in Estepona. Purpose of this video is to do a little walkthrough and give you as much information on this very unique, cool excursion in Estepona, Spain. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Estepona, Spain on the south coast of Spain. Just for context, we have a map here. I'll circle this section right here. This is Estepona, the city. I'll circle this section right here. This is where we're going to be visiting today. I'm going to give you a walkthrough, but as I walk through, it'll just be a short video. I'm going to give you as much information about the Orchid House in Estepona, otherwise known as the Orchidarium. Now I'll circle this section right here. This is the beautiful promenade that's been newly built in the last couple years in Estepona along the seafront, and this is where we're coming. We're coming from the beach. We're going to be walking up into the Orchidarium today. Now I'll circle this section right here. This is the old town. So the Orchidarium is just kind of north of the old town. It's kind of in the old town, but just a little bit north of it. So if you're in the old town already, it's not very far of a walk. I'll also circle this section right here. Now this is the bus station. This is just a little bit outside of Estepona. I think it was built in 2014. The old Estepona bus station was right downtown, right near the promenade. Now if you are coming in on a bus to this Orchidarium, I would suggest you probably get a Bolt or a Ride app or a taxi from the bus station, because it's at least a kilometer, if not 2 or 3 kilometers into the Orchidarium. And I'll circle this section right here. This is the marina, well known. So if you're getting off the boat from the marina, you could just walk along the promenade and then kind of go through the old town and up to the Orchidarium. So let's go for the walk. I'm going to give you a lot of information. Here we go. Okay, let's go for a walk. I did a walk video through this whole Orchidarium a little while ago, and some people asked me if I could do one and give them some information. So I'm going to read a little bit of information here as I walk through the Orchidarium or Orchid House here in Estepona. If you're looking for a unique and refreshing experience on the Costa del Sol, the Estepona Orchidarium is a must-see destination. I'm going to give you 10 reasons why it's a great idea to go check this place out. Now it's home to over 5,000 plants. The Orchidarium houses more than 5,000 plant species, including over 1,300 varieties of orchids from around the world, making it one of the most diverse collections in Europe. Number 2, spectacular glass dome architecture. The building itself is stunning, featuring 3 glass domes, one of which is 30 meters high. The modern, airy design blends nature and structure beautifully. Number 3, tropical rainforest feel. Inside, the climate is carefully controlled to mimic tropical and subtropical environments. It's like stepping into a mini rainforest, lush, humid, and full of vibrant life. 4, a visual feast of orchids in bloom. Orchids bloom at different times, so every visit offers something new. From dazzling colors to exotic shapes and rare species, it's a treat for photographers and flower lovers alike. Number 5 is the impressive indoor waterfall. A 17-meter indoor waterfall is one of the tallest in a European botanical garden. The sound and sight of cascading water create a peaceful and immersive environment. 6, it's great for families. It's a calm, educational, and visually stimulating place, perfect for family visits, especially if you want to get off the beach and you've had too much sun for a couple days and you want something different, or if you're here on vacation and it's raining, this would be another day trip. Children love exploring the different levels and discovering unusual plants. 7, the educational value. The Orchidarium offers a great opportunity to learn about botany, conservation, and biodiversity with helpful signage and guided tours available. 8, affordable entry. It's very reasonably priced, making it a budget-friendly outing that delivers great value. The entrance fee and charges, adults are €3, children 4 to 11 is €1, under 4 is free. So it is affordable. Number 9, a hidden gem in Estepona. While Estepona is known for its beaches and charming old town, the Orchidarium is a less crowded, peaceful alternative where you can escape from the heat and bustle. And number 10, perfect for a relaxing break. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, a photographer, or just need a moment of tranquility, the Orchidarium provides soothing, sensory-rich escape unlike any other. So, whether you're looking to connect with nature, take stunning photographs, or just enjoy something a little different while in Spain, the Estepona Orchidarium is a beautiful and enriching experience. Now, I'll just give you the opening times. Tuesday to Saturday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., and then 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. On Sundays, it's 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Mondays, it's closed. And now I'll give you a little bit more information. It's a garden with a total surface area of over 15,000 cubic meters, split into 2 levels by a bamboo forest that is home to over 1,300 different varieties of orchids and 5,000 tropical plants. The Orchidarium is the biggest orchid house in Spain. Now, what does Orchidarium mean? It's used to describe a space that is dedicated to orchids, giving you the opportunity to wander among the plants and marvel at the incredible shapes, colors, aromas, and survival mechanisms. Contrary to popular belief, orchids aren't actually a delicate plant, but actually survivors that have an incredible ability to adapt. Although traditionally associated with tropical climates, they can also survive in deserts as well as cold and even polar temperatures. Did not know that. It opened in 2015. It is Orchidarium Estepona. Now, the Orchidarium is part of botanical gardens. Now, these orchids come from relatively warm climates in South America and Southeast Asia. Some hang down from the roof, some sit on the branches of trees, and some form funny little bunches of color on the floor. You will be amazed to see the miniature varieties, which are housed in a small glass house, taking you aback with just how tiny the plant can be. The Orchidarium also has 2,000 square meters of vertical garden where the plants climb as they would in the natural world. As I already said, the Orchidarium costs €3 for adults and €1 for children. You don't need to worry about booking in advance. You can get your tickets at the door, and that's what we did. Now, this Orchidarium is world renowned. I hope you enjoyed this. I loved coming through it. If you have any questions, pop them in the comment section. Thanks.